Good morning, students. In this session, we shall deal exercise 1.3 of NCERT book, class 10 maths, in which we shall study to prove the irrationality of numbers by using the method of contradiction. So, let us start exercise 1.3, question number 1. Prove that root 5 is irrational. We shall prove this question by using the method of contradiction. And in contradiction method, we suppose just opposite what we have to prove. We have to prove root 5 is irrational, so we shall suppose root 5 is rational because opposite of irrational is rational. If possible, we suppose that root 5 is rational, whose simplest form is P by Q. That is, simplest form means P and Q have no common factor and P and Q are integers such that Q is not equal to 0. When we have supposed root 5 is rational, then there will be a form P by Q because every rational number can be expressed as P by Q. And we have supposed P and Q have no common factor. And P and Q are integers because the form of rational is integer by integer, where Q is not equal to 0 means denominator cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, we have supposed root 5 is in the form P by Q. Therefore, root 5 is equal to P by Q. By squaring both sides, 5 will be equal to P square by Q square. By using cross multiplication, it can be written as P square equal to 5Q square. Here we shall understand the meaning of 5Q square. What is its meaning? 5Q square and Q square, Q is an integer. Therefore, Q square will also be an integer. चूँकि Q integer है तो Q स्क्वायर जो यानी इंटीजर का स्क्वायर भी इंटीजर होगा. तो 5Q स्क्वायर का मीनिंग यह हुआ कि 5 इंटू एन इंटीजर and 5 into any integer like 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10, 5 into 3 equal to 15. Q स्क्वायर का जो वैल्यू है कोई भी इंटीजर हो तो 5 इंटू एनी इंटीजर जो रिजल्ट आएगा दैट मस्ट बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. 5 से जब किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो 5 का मल्टीपल होगा. तो 5Q स्क्वायर का मीनिंग हुआ 5 इंटू एनी इंटीजर और 5 इंटू एनी इंटीजर मीन्स मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. और जब यह 5Q स्क्वायर मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 हुआ और यह इक्वल है P स्क्वायर का, तो P स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. तो यहाँ आप लिख सकते हैं हियर P स्क्वायर इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 ड्यू टू 5Q स्क्वायर. इसका जो वैल्यू है 5Q स्क्वायर, इसके कारण हम कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि P स्क्वायर इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. और जब P स्क्वायर 5 का मल्टीपल है तो P भी 5 का मल्टीपल होगा. देयरफॉर P इज ऑल्सो अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. Now we suppose p इक्वल टू 5m, लेट p इक्वल टू 5m, क्योंकि p 5 का मल्टीपल है तो 5m लिख सकते हैं, जहाँ m क्या है, इंटीजर है। बाई स्क्वायरिंग वी कैन गेट p स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 25m स्क्वायर। नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ p स्क्वायर, दैट इज 5q स्क्वायर। देयरफॉर 5q स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 25m स्क्वायर। 5 5 जा 25 और q स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 5m स्क्वायर। Therefore q square equal to 5m square. In the previous concept we have seen that p square equal to 5q square. It means p square is a multiple of 5. In the same way q square equal to 5m square. It means q square is a multiple of 5. Therefore q square is a multiple of 5. जब q स्क्वायर 5 का मल्टीपल हुआ, इट मीन्स q इज ऑल्सो अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5। अब यहाँ देखिए, p इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, q इज ऑल्सो मल्टीपल 5। इट मीन्स इन p एंड q 5 इज अ कॉमन फैक्टर। Thus p and q both have 5 as common factor, and when p and q both have 5 as common factor, it means p by q is not in simplest form। सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में होने का मीनिंग हुआ कि वो किसी नंबर से कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता है, और जब 5 कॉमन फैक्टर है p और q दोनों में, तो p बाई q सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं होगा। देयरफॉर p बाई q इज नॉट इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म। बट we have supposed that p by q is in simplest form। we have proved p by q is not in simplest form, और हमने सपोज किया है कि p by q सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में है। This is called contradiction. Therefore, there is contradiction, which rises due to our wrong supposition. What is our wrong supposition? That root 5 is rational. We have proved that root 5 is rational. It is wrong. Then what will be right? Root 5 is irrational. Why? Because real number is either rational or irrational। जब दो ही ऑप्शन है, रेशनल और इरेशनल होने का, और रेशनल ऑप्शन रॉन्ग हो गया, तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन जो है इरेशनल होने का, दैट विल बी राइट। हेंस रूट 5 इज इरेशनल बिकॉज इट इज नॉट रेशनल। प्रूव्ड। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Second question, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. This question will also be proved by contradiction method, and just I have said you in contradiction method we suppose just opposite what we have to prove. जो कुछ भी हमें प्रूफ करना है इसका अपोजिट हम सपोज करते हैं. सो इफ पॉसिबल we suppose that three plus 2 root 5 is rational in the form P by Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q not equal to 0. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q, because you have supposed the form of 3 plus 2 root 5 is P by Q. P by Q is the form of 3 plus 2 root 5. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 will be equal to P by Q. Or 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 3, or 2 root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by Q. Therefore root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. Here root 5 is irrational. Why? Because we have proved this one. Root 5 is irrational, and P minus 3Q is an integer, 2Q is also an integer, and integer by integer is called rational. So here we shall write root 5 is irrational and P minus 3Q by 2Q is rational. Therefore root 5 cannot be equal to the P minus 3Q by 2Q. ये इक्वल हो ही नहीं सकता है, और हमने प्रूफ कर दिया इक्वल. इट मीन्स देयर इज कंट्राडिक्शन. देयरफॉर देयर इज contradiction which rises due to our wrong supposition. हमने जो सपोज किया था वह रॉन्ग सपोज किया था, जिसके कारण कंट्राडिक्शन हुआ. क्या सपोज किए थे कि 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, और जब ये रॉन्ग हुआ देन व्हाट विल बी राइट? 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Hence 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Proved. Now question number 3. Prove that the following are irrationals. First 1 by root 2, second 7 root 5, and third 6 plus root 2. These questions are completely based on previous questions. So I shall do it orally and you will solve by yourself at home as homework. In first questions, first of all, you will suppose 1 by root 2 is rational in the form P by Q. Then 1 by root 2 will be equal to P by Q, or root 2P equal to Q. Therefore root 2 equal to Q by P. Here root 2 is irrational, Q by P is rational, and an irrational number cannot be equal to rational number. So root 2 cannot be equal to Q by P. Therefore, there is contradiction which rises due to our wrong supposition. That's why 1 by root 2 is not rational, it is irrational. And in second question, first suppose 7 by root 5 equal to p by q or root 5 equal to p by 7q. This is irrational, it is rational, and an irrational cannot be equal to rational. Therefore, there is contradiction. So, our supposition is wrong. Therefore, 7 root 5 is irrational. And third question is just like second question, in which we proved that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So you can prove this with the help of this question. In this way we have finished exercise 1.3. In next class we shall solve exercise 1.4. Thank you.